welcome back to Landed Fishing. My name is Pierce Latta, and today we will be learning how to tie an improved clinch knot. So why clinch knots? Why not any other knot out there? Well, clinch knots can be used for almost anything in the fishing world, whether it's tiny swivels like these, snap swivels, hooks, or even lures. That's why I think they're useful, because they can literally be used for almost anything out there. So now, how to tie an improved clinch knot. So right now, I'm just going to tie it to this little snap swivel right here. I'm going to use a little bit heavier of line just so you guys can see it a little easier. So here, first step, we're going to thread the line through the eyelet of the snap swivel, hook, or whatever you want. Next step, you're going to make a loop. You're going to hold that loop right there. Once you've slid that hook or snap swivel or swivel on the line, you're going to put it about 8 inches away from the end of the line. So next, you're going to have the snap swivel hook or whatever you're using at the bottom of the loop. You can make a loop and you're going to pinch it right at the top. You see that? And now we're going to wrap this line right here around the main line 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to take the string that we just wrapped around 7 times, and we're going to put this string through this loop that we originally made. We're going to go up and under right like that. Then you're going to get the string that you just put through that loop and put it through this loop right here. Then, whoop, then pull down hard. Now you take whatever you tied and you just pull. And there you go. There's your clinch knot. You just got to chop off that extra string, and there's your clinch knot. So now I'm just going to do that same exact clinch knot, except just from a different view. So you're going to put it through whatever you're tying, give it about 7 to 8 inches, then you're going to make that loop, hold the loop right there, and then wrap it around 5 to 7 times. You can wrap it around depending on what you're fishing for or whatever you're doing. So once you wrap it, and you're going to get this, put it through that original loop, and you're going to put it through the loop you just made. Then you're going to pull hard, and then you're going to pull the thing you're tying on really hard. Sometimes you'll just have to slide the knot down a little bit to make it work. And there you go. There it is. Just from a different angle. And this knot's going to look really loose just because I'm tying it with bigger string. I'll tie it with real fishing line in a second and it'll look a lot tighter, and trust me, this knot will hold just about anything. So me tying it with this fishing line is going to be extremely hard to tie, or just extremely hard to see for you guys in general. So I'm just going to tie it and then I'll show you the finished product. And there you go, look how tight that is. That's a nice clinch knot right there. So then you just have to chop off this excess string. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time on Landed Fishing.